We've been working on paid ads creatives. Everything seems perfect, great team, cool ideas, organized workflow, except one thing. We couldn't actually quickly and easily check on our own analytics metric ourselves. And that left us guessing which ad is to scrap or to make. Meanwhile, we have our own ad automation tool. And since we have Ad Explorer, the feature that literally shows you the most important metrics you want to see in your ads, I've asked Nikita, our product designer, how can I really easily check on my ads and see what's really important for me? I really need to understand the metrics and how our ads are performing.
You have our beautiful templates library. For example, let's start with top ads. You can see some basic filters right here to filter out your top ads. Then press generate report. The metrics, the time frame, and the metrics inside the report.
Mostly we check on monthly report on our ads.
We actually have two modes of time frames. We can compare two different time periods inside the report and on the chart, or for example, select just one.
So for example, in our case, it's once.
30 days. Apply changes. Okay, here you go. You have your ads that match this condition, like CTR more than 1 for the last 7 days, and impressions for the last 7 days more than 1,000. So here you can see 3 ads that match this condition. You can filter them by type, for example, or also you can check the metrics on the chart, like a trend in time, or select any metric, for example spend, and see that the right one has the biggest spend. And also we have a bar chart. Yeah, it's more convenient to compare ads side by side. You can select up to 2 metrics here on the chart. For example, compare spend and CTR. Looks like carousel is the best. Yeah, and this one might be the worst.
We actually had a few signals getaway ads. I want to compare like a few signals getaway posts, but I see on the one.
Yeah, that's because of this condition. If we remove it, we can see the whole list unfiltered. We actually have really cool filter and feature for the naming. So big companies leveraging super complex naming conventions. They put type of the creative, location, audience, and all the parameters in the name of each ad, and for ad set have more control over the experiment, over the settings for each ad or ad set. And we provide actually different templates for different use cases. So we just suggest some name text that you might use, but if in your company you are using something else, you can change it. Also, we can set it from scratch. For example, if you want to analyze signals, ads, you can create 1 or 2 or multiple groups with the name filter, just like this. Add name, contains.
Ours is signals. I want to compare all the signals. They have different names in our case, just because.
As you can see, now we have 3 groups of ads based on the namings. Now we can compare all the metrics for the groups. We can see them on chart here, see that the signals again has the biggest spend, link links. If you're interested in the performance of a specific ad inside the group, you can click on it and see the details right here.
By the way, in this campaign we have also signals.
Yeah.
Can we exclude it somehow?
Yes. Click add name, but does not contain. Yeah, that's actually better. The results are more clear.
And also the same way I could check, for example, what is performing better, my video or carousels, exactly the format, if I name them the correct way.
Yes, it's actually the best practice to use all the parameters in the names of our ads to easily separate them in analytics. So if you have the proper text, that could be any like your company uses, so you will have more proper analytics here with our naming filters.